Thank you very much, Toastmaster Vignesh. So my target speaker, Toastmaster Nagendra Bharati's speech objectives are: one, the purpose of the project is for the member, for Toastmaster Nagendra Bharati, to clearly define how Toastmasters envision mentoring. And the other purpose of the speech is for Toastmaster Nagendra Bharati to share some aspects of a previous experience as prodigy. His speech title is Mentor's Memories, and the timing is 5 to 7 minutes. So I wish all the very best to Toastmaster Nagendra Bharati. Back to you, Toastmaster Vignesh.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vaika. Now we welcome our third speaker, Toastmaster Nagendra Bharati. Can you please unmute and check your audio and video to the members?
Am I audible and beautiful at Anna Nagar and Zoom Nagar?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, we can hear you. Beautiful. Toastmaster Nagendra Bharati, Mentors Memories. Mentors Memories, Toastmaster Nagendra Bharati.
Thank you, TM Modi. The year was 2007. The place was Ruby Hall, Presidential Club, Egmore, Chennai. That was the time and place when I joined Chennai Toastmasters Club. After attempting the table topic speech with a lot of anxiety and fear, after the end of the meeting, the then VP Education introduced me to a very, very soft-spoken person. This person knows many languages. He knows Tamil, English, Hindi, and even Japanese. Can you guess his name? Yes. He is none other than Toastmaster Ramesh Daswani. I became his mentee. Let me share my experience as a mentee with Toastmaster Ramesh Daswani and one more special person whose name I will introduce at a later point of time with you all guys now. My dear Toastmasters, guests, whenever I attended the meeting, Toastmasters meeting at that point of time, my mentor, he used to introduce me to the president every time. You want to know the reason? Because I was a very, very irregular Toastmaster. The reason was that I was working in Bangalore. So I would visit Chennai only once in 6 months. And whenever I attended the Toastmasters meeting, there was a new president-elect after 6 months. Now you know the reason, right? This enabled me to create an unbeaten record in Chennai Toastmasters Club. That is, I have completed CC 10 projects in 10 years. An average of one project 1 year. It is still an unbeaten record. But in addition to that, there is one more record which you would definitely appreciate. My name comes in the top 10 list in that renewal list, subscription renewal list every year since 2007. At least it deserves some appreciation from you guys, right? Well, but the credit goes to my mentor, Toastmaster Ramesh Daswani. He encouraged me to attend at least once in 6 months and give the projects. And not only he encouraged me and made me to complete those CC 10 projects, but also he identified my inherent skill in giving some humorous, so-called humorous speech. I don't know whether you will agree or not, but he found out that skill in me and he encouraged me to compete in that humorous speech contest, making me to win that area level humorous speech contest in the year 2013. I have to thank my mentor, Toastmaster Ramesh Daswani. Then for some reasons, he left. For some personal reasons, he left the club. And then I approached another special person. She is the DTM of all DTMs in Chennai Toastmasters Club. Can you guess? Yes. She is none other than our DTM, Meena John. I know that she is a strict disciplinarian. And she knows that I am a very, very irregular member. But anyhow, At that point of time, that irregularity was due to office exigencies. But now, this irregularity is due to my ill health exigencies. She understands that. Even though she is a strict disciplinarian, she is also a kind mother and kind grandmother, as you all know. So she accepted me as my mentor, and my mentee journey continued. In the special DTM way, she gave me a lot of exposure. She made me to speak before a bigger audience. Yes. I was made as a target speaker in a division level evaluation contest in the year 2018. That was a great exposure for me. I have to thank DTM Neena John for that. In addition to that, she also identified my skill of giving sort of humorous speech, and she also encouraged me to participate in that humorous speech contest. With her help, I was able to compete and won that area level humorous speech contest in the year 2020. Her involvement was to that extent, she added a lot of value to my speech. She asked me to bring some prop like cup of coffee to be brought in by my granddaughter while I was practicing that cockroach karate, and the chaos it would create when I kicked that cup of coffee with my cockroach karate kick. That evoked a lot of laughter, and I got that area level humorous speech champion. So these are all the mentees experience I got with my mentors. You would be knowing the difference between the coaching and mentoring, right? Coaching is for short term and for a specific skill. Mentoring is for long term and it covers the overall development of the person. Toastmasters International understands this difference, and it has created this Toastmasters mentor program in such a way so that I am able to get that beautiful, long-term, broad mentees experience with my mentors, Toastmaster Ramesh Daswani and Toastmaster DTM Neena John. I have to thank Toastmaster International, Chennai Toastmasters Club, and you guys who encouraged me. And over and above all that, my friends, philosophers and guides, Toastmaster Ramesh Daswani and DTM Neena John. Thank you all. Over to you, T.M. Modi.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ranju. Yes, it was an excellent speech by Toastmaster Nagendra Bharati. So your speech did not have dumb fuzzle, and it was crystal clear speech. And let me first share like what are the things which I loved in your speech. So before that, let me remind or let me share the objective of the speech. The objective of the speech is to share how Toastmasters envisions mentoring and your experience as the prodigy in Toastmaster fraternity. Now to start with, I love the way you opened the speech. You said like in 2007 in Ruby Hall, you came in as a guest and then you became the club member. So that was excellent, where we were able to connect. Like me as a seasoned Toastmaster, I was able to go back to the Ruby Hall. So that was an excellent start. Even those who did not know about Ruby Hall, like you connected with the year when you started and how you started and all those things. Excellent. And humor is your trademark. So I loved when you said that 6 months once you used to come, and then your CC10 you completed in 10 years. Excellent. As I said, it is your landmark, it's your trademark. And I remember my own experience when I used to follow up with you to deliver your CC10 to achieve the educational goals of the club. So lovely. And another thing, coming to the meeting the project objective, you did say like Toastmaster Ramesh Daswani as well as DTM Neena John, how they actually helped you to identify the skills within you. And you narrated the incident how DTM Neena John had asked you to enhance your speech, like somebody bringing coffee and how your cockroach karate created a confusion which added humor to the speech. So those incidents and those things which you added did help us to understand how your mentors have helped you in the Toastmaster fraternity in your journey. So that was lovely. And you shared the difference between what is mentoring and coaching. Excellent. And the thing which I love the most is when you ended the speech, you did thank and acknowledge the Toastmaster fraternity, your mentors and the other members, how they helped you in your journey. So having said what I liked, what you could have improved. So one, I felt like maybe the new members as well as guests will not understand what is the mentor, how mentor or mentor relationship works. If at all you would have given a couple of sentences how mentoring works in Toastmaster, it would have helped people to connect with the concept. And then you could have said like how your mentors has helped you to elevate yourself both in your personal life and your professional life, how you were, and in the journey, the guidance provided by the mentors, how did it help? And adding little more incidents would added more value. So to summarize, I loved humor, your ending, and specific incidents about the guidance provided by your Toastmasters. You could have added little more details about the mentoring journey. So with this, I hand over the control to the general evaluator.